everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. Today in this video, if you want to transform your hair from looking like this to this, then please keep watching. So before we start styling our hair, the prep beforehand is the most important step. So I like to use 2 different sprays before drying my hair, just so I know my hair is going to be in the perfect condition to start styling. So the 2 sprays I like to use are the Jerome Russell Smoothing Spray. This spray is so good. It literally keeps all the baby hairs and all the strays from poking up where we don't want them to. It's great for a ponytail look like this, especially if you want to keep it sleek. So I really recommend this spray. It is vegan and cruelty free, as we all know, and it's just a brilliant spray. I also love this brand. They do amazing heat protectants too. The second spray I like to use is the Umberto Gianni Miracle Mist. Now this mist is great for colour protecting and styling. This is definitely what we want to use before we start styling our hair. So I highly recommend these 2 products. Like I said as well, this spray is vegan and cruelty free, as we all know. You know the drill. So highly recommend these before we start styling. So for today's look, I'm going to be using an extension piece from Lullabellz, and this is their Textured Wave 26-inch pony in grey. This is more of a bluey kind of grey, but when it is up, it should blend really nicely because I do have a darker grey on top. So yeah, let's get started. The first step for creating your high snatched ponytail is we're going to want to pop all of our hair in a really tight and sleek bun at the top of our head. Try and make it as high as possible, or however high you would like your ponytail to sit. This is going to act as the base for our ponytail extension to clip into, so make sure you get it as tight as possible and high as possible to create the best illusion possible. A little tip for getting your hair up into a higher bun is tipping your hair upside down and putting it up like that, brushing your hair down into a bun. It creates less bumps and is just a lot easier. If you are keeping pieces down like me, make sure to tie those up beforehand just so they don't get caught in the bun itself. If you do get any lumps or bumps, do not worry, we will fix those later, but for now do try and aim to get a sleek as possible bun because it will make it a lot easier for you in the long run. With lumps and bumps, I do recommend when you've got your hair all up, try not to pull it really tight in the ponytail before the bun, because this does actually end up creating more lumps and bumps. So just try and keep it as tight as possible without pulling it in anymore. But like I said, do not worry, we will come back to it in the end. Any flyaways, don't stress, that's what hairspray and gel is for, but we will come back to that shortly. So now that our hair is up into a sleek as possible bun, we're going to want to work on any lumps or bumps we do have left over. I do have a few from putting mine up in a bun. That's no problem, we can fix it. Also, my bun doesn't look central, but I promise it's as central as I can get it, so let's not read into that too much. All we're going to do is we're going to use bobby pins, and we are going to pin them down as much as possible. Try and find bobby pins that are as close to your hair color as possible, just so we create a really seamless illusion like this extension is actually our hair, because we want it to look as snatched as possible. So now all of our lumps and bumps have been clipped back and we're feeling like we've had a facelift. We are now going to smooth away any flyaways we might have. Now, I don't think I have too many, but I do have a few. So we're going to grab some gel or some hairspray, and we're going to use these to snatch those flyaways and make the ponytail look really sleek and flawless. So go grab some hairspray or some hair gel, and I'll meet you back here and we will snatch those flyaways. Now with some hair gel, I'm going to use the tiniest amount just to slick back any flyaways we may have. I like to use my hands first and then go in with a brush, but you can do whatever technique you find works best for you, but that is what works best for me. So let's tame these flyaways and get that ponytail looking really snatched. Now that our edges are super smooth and slicked back, we can go on to the best part, and that is putting the hair extension in. This really does bring the whole look together and just finishes off the fantasy. say. So let's go ahead and add our hair extension piece in. As you can see at the top of the extension, we do have the grip. Now the grip is going to go into the front section of our bun to hold the ponytail in place and act as sort of an anchor to keep the ponytail sturdy and upright. Once you have put the grip into the bun, you are going to want to take the extra attachment of hair and wrap it around the base of the bun, acting as a beautiful illusion to seamlessly merge our hair with the ponytail. Once you have wrapped the piece around your hair, you're going to want to grip the excess just around the hair just so it stays in place. Your ponytail should feel nice and secure and you should be able to whip it around like Ariana Grande. Thank you all for watching me transform my hair into this gorgeous textured ponytail. This was literally so easy and so simple to do and elevated my pony to the next level. I absolutely adore this extension piece and it is so easy to clip in. Honestly, anyone can do it and it really does just add that extra bit of sass to any look. If you guys would like to see any more hair tutorials from me in the future, then please do let me know down below what kind of looks you'd like to see me create. But until next time guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and post notification bell. I shall see you soon. Stay safe and have a good one. Bye guys.